In today's video, let me show you how to use Pika AI video generator. Let's open your browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection because it will take a while to generate an AI video. After that, click the search bar and search for Pika AI. Go to Pika AI official website and click on it. And here, just click the try Pika located at the top. It's on the left. And then after that, you must log in your account. After logging in, you can now use Pika AI. Now just go to Pika Effects located at the top beside Library. After that, just on the Pika Effects, choose what you want and click on Try It. Now just upload your image you want to generate. After choosing an image, click the Generate button at the bottom. Wait for it to finish to load. It may take a while, so you need a stable internet connection once again. After loading, you can now preview your generated AI video. You can also download it, and there you go. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.